Okay, this is how you can say the numbers very slowly. Number one in Somali, it's ko, or you can say hal. Labo, two. Sedah, three. Four. Afar, four. Shan, five. Leh. The word X in Somali it pronounced as an X, but also you can say leh. But the right way of pronunciation it's a leh. Six. Todobo, seven. Sideed, eight. Sagal, nine. 10. Toban. That's how you can say in Somali. Thank you very much.